caravan park in Skjerstad, Norway. I will have a look at it. Going down here. Here it is. Good space to park your caravan or trucks, whatever you need to camp with. Even phone number here to rent the place. I don't know the price, but I'm sure it's not expensive. We have some soccer goals there. I will see a little bit around. As a matter of fact, I have not been here since they made it. Very close to the sea. And here is the sea. Quiet place. Not small place. I don't know how many camper vans you can bring down here, but at least 20, because it's something behind there also. So they're not finished with everything, I see, but they are starting. Nice place to have a camper. You see, this still is building out this. So going the other direction from the area where the camper place is, the RV place. Very nice weather outside here now. Small breeze and the birds crying out. They have cut the grass over there to the red sea buildings. They have boats and everything. Nice track. The dog having fun. Have to go give her some water. I think she is kind of thirsty after the running. Fine passage. Feel the sun in my back. It's very warm. Has been some days now with very warm. And I'm going to the ending up here in the RV place. It's a phone number on the sign to call if you want to stand there. And it's 3 boxes with 2 connections on each at least for RV electricity. And they are filling up here, making it more attractive. Small road up here, but enough. Bye from me here in Skjerstad so far.